Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
First, update WhatsApp to the latest version from Google Play or the App Store. This ensures you have dark mode features and bug fixes. On Android, system support is best with Android 10 or later. On iPhone, system dark mode works from iOS 13 and later. Dark mode changes chat backgrounds, menus, and settings to dark tones. It reduces glare and helps readability during night use or in low-light environments. To enable dark mode in WhatsApp, open the app and tap Settings. Next, tap Chats, then tap Theme and select Dark. If you use Android system theme, choose System Default to match device theme automatically. On iPhone, WhatsApp respects the iOS system theme when iOS is set to dark. To force a change on iPhone, use Settings, Display and Brightness, and select Dark. You can switch themes at any time with 3 to 4 taps. Customize dark mode by changing chat wallpaper to a dark image for consistency. Open Settings, Chats, Wallpaper, and choose a darker photo or solid color. If dark mode does not appear, update the WhatsApp app and restart your phone once. Clearing the app cache on Android can also help resolve display bugs. Remember, dark mode improves visual comfort and can reduce power draw on OLED screens. You can revert to light anytime using the same settings path.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.